exercise, if you're having trouble with that form on that hammer curl, and you don't have a preacher curl bench or chair at your gym, like Planet Fitness, I know there's some other gyms as well that don't have those chairs. So this is a great substitution. It's going to really isolate that muscle and help you kind of focus on the right form and the right way to do a dumbbell hammer curl. Now you can do this with lightweight to heavyweight. The most important thing is that you're starting from the very full extension all the way to contracting that muscle all the way up top. Focus on your breathing. You don't want to cut your breath too short. That's going to make it harder to get that rep all the way in. It's going to rob oxygen from your muscles as well. So keep breathing. Make sure that you're doing that full range of motion and really try and picture in your head feeling that muscle tearing as you're doing that rep. It's going to help get that results that you're looking for, and it'll help you understand a little bit more on how to get that form so you can graduate to doing the full standing dumbbell hammer curls as well. So let's check out the isolated dumbbell hammer curl. This one's a lot more simple. Once you have your arm on the actual bench itself, you don't have to worry about stabilization too much. The one thing you do have to worry about though is making sure that you don't use your lower back to make more power to pull that weight up. You want to focus it solely on your bicep. So really get that full extension on that arm all the way down and all the way up.